This is a service call. Water heater won't light. Oh, I think we found out a problem here. That's not a problem. Got a violet light. All right. So we got 7 flashes. Okay, well, so I got it lit. That's 7 flashes. We're gonna let it run here for a little bit, see what happens. The little valve broke off. So I'm doing the manual reset, so that's where you put it on very hot for 10 seconds, then hot for 10 seconds, then down to pilot where it should shut off. Turn it back to very hot. Alright, it's blinking normal operation now. Alright, we're going to call that good. And if we come back out, we'll change the valve. You can see it's blinking normal operation, so I just did the reset. Put it on very hot for about 10-15 seconds. Cycle it down to hot for about the same, down to pilot, and repeat that twice. And then see what it does, and it seems to be okay. And then this thing's pretty banged up. Probably needs a new burner assembly. And the flame's pretty yellow, but that's probably from condensation. But yeah, so we're gonna call it good. What year is this? 2013. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. If you like videos like this, I'm sure I'll be back out here next week. This little switch broke off here, so that's not good, but Doesn't seem to be affecting it any, but I'll come back out and probably end up changing the valve in the burner assembly. I didn't get any photographs of this water heater ahead of time, so I couldn't bring anything with me. But yeah, give this a thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs down if you didn't, and have a great day. Kidding me. How am I supposed to work on this? Exactly why I don't like to work in PB. I can't even fit it between. Clear quarters. Rub in it. Another beach city nightmare. Alright, we got pilot. Need you to verify that for me. So, service call, Pacific Beach. Hate this place. I think because it's so close to the ocean, the little back of the clicker here was oxidized, so we couldn't get spark. There was no spark at all, so I disconnected it. Hopefully you can see that without me blinding you here. I disconnected the Pizio spark igniter and then manually pushed it. First I tested it against me and got some spark. Alright, yeah, this is an easy one. And this is my third one tonight. Easy peasy. Japanese. Hopefully if you're Japanese you're not offended by that. But yeah, we're good. There you go. So yeah, just a bad clicker going on up here. This is dirty. You can see it's oxidized up there. So yeah, not ideal. Man, this thing is just shot. The ocean is really hard on these things. Oh my god. There we go. Sorta. Anyway, I'm gonna call this one good. service call, Pacific Beach, in and out of here in 5 minutes. Took me longer to drive down here. Wrong sized line per usual. But yeah, it's running. We got a GE, probably 2011, 2012. Look how much room I had. I could barely even fit in here. Alright. I'm calling this one a success story. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Wow. And I'm going to try and wiggle my way out of here. Maybe I can go around. Oh, I could probably just go around. Have a good day.
You can see the striker.
Okay.
But it just won't catch. It won't.
Yeah, it's probably a block pilot tube.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's usually what it is. If you got spark.
It's got spark.
Okay.
Anyways, it's all hooked. You want the gas on?
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Let me go over here. To sit on, John?
I'm all right.
You all right? All right.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, right where I need to be.
Oh wow, that's a trip.
Yeah.
All the little devices, man. You see it? We ain't got no water in the tank yet, so
Oh, okay.
yeah. He said don't
fill
run it yet until we find out what's up.
Yeah, he never wants to run it.
I just put the hose on it, but I didn't tighten them.
Did you install it or did he install it?
No, I put it in, and then he came over here and checked it out,
Okay.
and that's when he called. He goes, man, we were over here for like 20 minutes trying to get it going, you know, and it just wouldn't. That little light wouldn't come on. I guess here or whatever.
Yeah.
And it just wouldn't ignite the pilot. What, like sometimes they catch air or something like that, or?
You get sediment. That's what your sediment trap here is for. It's not. That sediment trap isn't installed right, but they tried.
Oh, really?
They tried. Yeah.
Which way should it be? That way I can change it.
It should be. It should be coming off of the pipe off the wall.
Oh, really?
And then it should come straight in, so the sediment hits this back wall, and then falls into the leg, and then the gas comes up off the top.
So this whole deal should be put over there.
This whole deal is side. It should be straight like this.
Oh man.
The pipe goes in to the T, right? So here's your pipe coming out of the wall. It goes into the T. Your leg is down here, and then the gas comes up and around. So that way it hits the back wall and falls.
So in other words, take it out of here and put it over there, and just put this fitting for the gas in there, right, or what?
Yeah, you could put the shut off on top of here.
This.
That shut off.
Oh, on top
over
right
there.
here, yeah.
Yeah, on top right here, and then you just run it straight into the.
So in other words, just go ahead and run this one, hook it over there and there like that.
Yeah, switch these two, flip it around, put this leg on the bottom. This leg can go on the top to feed your shut off, and then this will thread into here.
This one? Yeah,
yeah,
threads in here.
It'll thread into there.
And just as long as I keep this down though, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you need something for it.
Oh man. What if you keep it like that? Does it hurt it or anything?
It
just
doesn't hurt it.
It just won't do nothing.
It just, I mean, the sediment is bouncing in the line. It might fall in here.
Oh.
Or it could pass right through. Yeah, we did a bunch of them with the city inspectors of San Diego.
Oh, really?
And they're like on it. You know?
Well, I'll have to change. That means I'd have to turn everything off and do that. Well, I'll wait till we get everything going.
Yeah. It doesn't seem like it's blocked.
Yeah, well, what happened, I had installed this morning the one I brought home from yesterday, and I was trying to flick it on, and what would happen? The pilot would come on. I mean, the furnace would come on, but this little thing, it tells you when it starts flickering off and off. You let go of the pilot and switch it over. 3 times, nothing. So Dave brought another one over, and we just switched it, put this one in there, and here we go now.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sometimes the LEDs go out.
Really?
They just stop working, so everything's working. It just doesn't tell you.
I wonder if that's what happened.
Could have been. You'll hear like a click inside the valve, like a click.
Also, just listen to that click then if you don't see the light.
Well, I hear that. I kind of know to listen for it, but yeah, you can hear, if you hear the click, you should hear the click and see the light.
Right.
But if you hear the click and you don't see the light, and you take your thumb off the gas and it's still on, you turn it on and it'll fire out. You just never get an LED.
I'll remember that in case that's the problem here, because I'm not going to pull this fucker out again.
Yeah.
This
I had one of those today, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was a bad LED.
That might be bad. It lit?
Yeah.
No shit. So, well, the LED lights out then, huh?
It should in a minute. If I can get my
Oh, you mean it still might light?
Yeah. Yeah, I guess it was just barely blocked.
Holy shit, is that right? So that was when
yeah,
you blew
if David
it there.
called me, I would have just told him over the phone.
Wow.
He just goes, go out and fix it. I said, okay.
Oh, man.
Yeah, they get blocked a lot.
And that's because of this stuff, the sediments you're saying? I mean, whatever, what do you call it?
Sediment.
From the gas,
yeah,
right?
This is a sediment trap.
Uh-huh.
There's your light. You can kind of see it.
Oh, now it's working. Oh, does it just blink off?
It'll blink once every 3 seconds.
Okay, it doesn't consciously stay on constantly then, huh?
If you want, no, only when you shut it down.
Okay.
But it's empty though, right? So you probably
give me
You want to fill it up?
Yeah, let me fill it real quick, like. See if everything's clean. Damn, man! Wow! Wait till he hears that. Shit.
Yeah, I pretty much knew what it was when he called me. Yeah, I knew what it was. I work on these things all the time.
Well, yeah, I mean, fuck, you know what's up.
Yeah, there's only so many things it could be.
Well, that turned on quick, so hopefully when I turn it off and reset that down there, okay.